Hi, I'm Sheri Kimmel, a friend of FitLifeTV. A high-intensity workout can be for all levels of fitness ability. We're going to go through a total body workout. For 30 seconds, we will do one exercise at a time, and then we will add to it. This time is going to be a push-up. 3, 2, straight to your push-up, hands down. Next exercise that we'll add, a squat. And that was 90 seconds. One more level. Finish our ladder with mountain climbers. Go. As you come up, big high five. That's a ladder. 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, all the way to 2 minutes. Now we did it one time. You always have the option to repeat the ladder from 30, 60, 90, all the way up to 2 minutes, 2, even 3 times, and then work your way back down the ladder. I'm Sheri Kimmel, a friend of FitLifeTV. Thank you for moving with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. You feel amazing after it's finished.